Hello and welcome to the channel. It's tbanalyst here. This video will be the first of a video series where we will cover some of the IDEs or integrated development environments that you can use to type and run your Python code. And on this video, we'll focus on an online tool named glot.io that you can use to run and type your Python code. The neat feature about this tool is that it supports many programming languages. So let's get started and see it together. So go to your favorite browser. For me it's Google Chrome, and here search for glot.io, just like this. Press enter, and now we are on this site. You can see it supports many programming languages, C and other. Bash here it also supports Scala and Python, Ruby here, and Rust. So many programming languages. So we'll use it for Python. So click on Python, and you can see here this is the print hello world. So you can just run from here and you will get the output hello world. Okay, you can run here anything. So let's try something like this. For num in range 5, can print that num, for example. So this code will print the numbers from 0 to 4. So run. So you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and in the previous video we said that Python is very clean language and very readable. You can make sure by comparing it to another language like C, for example. So let's go again to glot.io and let's here go to C. You can see here is the code typed in C programming language that do the same and print hello world. So all this just to print hello world. So if we run it, you can see here hello world. Okay, while in Python it is as easy as just printing hello world like this. Just a single line of code, print hello world. This prints hello world to the screen in Python. Okay, so it is like a plain English text, but all this here in the C programming language to just print hello world. Okay, so you need first to get the standard input output library. Okay, and you define your function and you return from it and so on. So if we try to do also this example here, which prints numbers from 0 to 4 in Python, if we do this in C, you can see the difficulty. So load standard input output library like this. Here you define the main function, then curly braces, then you define your variable and num. Okay, and down here for num start by 0, and then the num is less than 5, and then we add to the number. Okay, so we want to print that number, so we use %d because it is a decimal, then \n, and we need to print that number just like this. Okay, and after that we make sure that we return 0. So all this just to print the numbers from 0 to 4. So let's run it, and here you can see it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is not easy. C is not an easy programming language if you compare it to Python. Python is very clean and easy programming language. It is very easy to learn, and it is very readable. Okay, so that's all about this video on plot.io, and see you in the upcoming videos. Thanks and goodbye.